Hey everybody, so I want to talk about the curves in your spine because these are essential for maintaining good spinal health and hygiene. So what happens over time is the curves in the spine can sometimes go in a different direction, and this happens most commonly in the neck area. Now, because of technology, smartphones, desk orientations, things like that, what happens sometimes to the neck is the curve starts to go in the opposite direction. What this does is it puts a ton of stress on the spinal cord. It's such a key area so close to the brain that it makes it difficult for energy to get through the rest of your spine to all the essential organs and tissues of the body. So maintaining good spinal curves is really important. Now, how do we do that? Well, in our office we do a lot of different things like chiropractic adjustments to help with good alignment, because we can't have proper curve shape without good alignment in the spine. The second thing we do is corrective exercise. Now, the exercises are intended to improve our stability of the spine and promote the formation and maintenance of the curves in the spine. Now, if somebody has lost the curve in their spine, like in the neck for example, what we'll oftentimes do is recommend that they use some sort of device or even a towel behind the curve here and actually have them lay down on it. Because what that's going to do is it's going to help shape and reform the shape of the spine in that curve shape. So that becomes really important in order to help maintain that curve in the spine or help to reshape that spine. Because once we get the shape of the spine and the curve corrected, that's when the spine can truly start to express its overall health and higher function as well. So I hope you found this tip useful. If you're having forward head posture, you feel like your head is out in front of your shoulders, try this. Try rolling up a towel, putting it behind your neck, and just laying on that for 10 minutes a day and see what sort of benefits you can get out of that. My guess is you're going to feel a lot of tension relieved as well as some decrease in pain as well. So I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you on the next one.